I never meant to hurt him. That's what I tell myself every night. Every time I close my eyes, I see his face. Shocked, betrayed. Ethan was my best friend. Since childhood, we had been inseparable. He was the one person I trusted with my life. And then I took everything from him. It started with a lie, a small one, the kind you tell yourself doesn't matter. But secrets have weight, and mine grew heavier by the day. I fell in love with his wife. I never planned to. But love doesn't ask for permission. It just happens, quiet at first, like the tide pulling at the shore. Then before you know it, you're drowning. Her name was Claire. She was bright, full of fire, the kind of woman who made the world seem bigger. I knew it was wrong, but every stolen glance, every touch that lingered too long, only pulled me in deeper. Then one night, it happened. It was late. Ethan was out of town. She called me, her voice shaking. She needed someone. I told myself I was just being a friend. But when I arrived, the line between right and wrong blurred. One kiss, one moment of weakness. That's all it took. We swore. It was a mistake. We promised it wouldn't happen again. But guilt is a tricky thing. It either eats you alive, or you bury it so deep it becomes part of you. I buried mine. For months, I carried the weight of my betrayal. I smiled, laughed, played my role in Ethan's life as if nothing had changed. But secrets have a way of surfacing. And when they do, they destroy everything in their path. Ethan found out. I'll never forget the look in his eyes. He didn't yell, didn't hit me. That would have been easier. Instead, he just stared, like he was seeing me for the first time, and hating what he saw. You were my brother, he whispered. I wanted to explain, to tell him it wasn't what he thought. But the truth was worse than any excuse I could give. I lost them both that night. Claire left. Ethan walked away. Now I sit in the wreckage of what I destroyed, wondering if redemption is even possible. Wondering if some sins are too heavy to be forgiven. Maybe one day I'll find the courage to ask for it. But today is not that day.